Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The S&P 500 closed barely higher after choppy trading session as investors held their breath ahead of a raft of big technology company earnings, a Federal Reserve policy decision on interest rate cuts, and key US labor data, all due this week. Solana's price is primed to end July with a 30% monthly return and looks poised to challenge its yearly high of around $210 over the next few weeks. While most of the community attributes Sol's success to its meme coin euphoria, its robust liquid staking ecosystem is emerging as a strong on-chain narrative. A bruising sell-off in US stocks is putting a sharper focus on valuations of the tech names such as Nvidia and Microsoft that have driven markets higher for most of this year. Despite a recent pullback, the S&P 500 tech sector is trading near a two-decade high reached earlier this month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 5:30 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 9 GMT, the UK's 10Y bond auction at 9 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 14 GMT, Japan's large retailer sales at 23:50 GMT, Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.